What in the wide, wide world of sports is going on here?
I don't know what it is, but it's phenomenal.
All right, people, we're going to try something a little different today.
I cannot solve your problem, sir. Only you can.
Am I missing something?
You want answers? I think I'm entitled. You want answers?
I want the truth!
You can't handle the truth!
Don't mess with the bull, young man. You'll get the horns.
The reality is, humans are humans are humans, and that's never going to end.
No, I do mind. The dude minds. This will not stand.
It's a big, big deal.
Hello. Do you speak English, sir? Parlo usted English?
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
I've done the math on this. We've talked about it on this show before. That's a fact.
You'll learn a little something about yourself.
That's us, dude.
That's why we're radio shows.
That's right.
I don't have to tell you things are bad. Everybody knows things are bad. The dollar buys a nickel's worth. Shopkeepers keep a gun under the counter. Punks are running wild in the street, and there's nobody anywhere who seems to know what to do, and there's no end to it. It's like everything everywhere is going crazy. I don't want you to protest. I don't want you to riot. I don't want you to write to your congressman because I wouldn't know what to tell you to write. I don't know what to do about inflation and the Russians and the crime in the street. All I know is that first, you've got to get mad.
Let's do this.
Discussing issues that matter to you. Finding real answers using logic and reason. KLZ 560 presents Rush to Reason. Now, here is your host, John Rush.
And I'm your host, John Rush. Rush to Reason, KLZ 560. Dan Meurer, Cassie George, Kurt Rogers joining us in just 1 second for our Monday Mortgage Minute. Charlie Grimes, our engineer. All right, what did we miss last hour? Anything? We all caught up, Dan? We good to go?
We are set.
Drinking that nice
I am
chocolate
drinking that,
shake.
Absolutely. That's an awesome chocolate shake.
We should have those sponsored by Affordable Interest Mortgage.
Yeah.
And every time we drink one, we could say, this shake brought to you by Affordable Interest Mortgage.
I like that.
What do you think there, Kurt?
I like that idea. I like chocolate shakes.
There we go.
Oh,
now,
these are really
according
good.
to Charlie, it's like drinking grout. But that's just Charlie's version. Now, all I have to say to that is that means Charlie has tasted grout in the past and would know what it tastes like.
And Charlie's in there eating yogurt of some sort.
I don't know what he's doing. All right, so talk to us about mortgage insurance, Kurt. What's it really cost, and why do we need to get rid of it?
You know, a lot of people will look at a loan and they'll look at the interest rate. And if you look at a loan, let's say around 3.5, and it has mortgage insurance, on a $300,000 loan, that payment's going to be about $1,560. But if you turn around and do a conventional loan without the mortgage insurance, that payment's going to be the same, $1,560, but the rate's going to be 4.75. So when you think about mortgage insurance, while you get this great rate, you're really paying over 4.75%, and it's not tax deductible.
So mortgage insurance is not tax deductible?
No, it's
because
not.
It's insurance, I guess, right?
This year they got rid of that. It used to be, but it's not any longer. So it's like adding 1.25 to 1.5 to the rate you have, and not getting the full advantage of doing that.
So really, what you're trying to say is, if you don't have to have it, don't.
Oh, if there's any way to get around it, don't, because eventually it will fall off. But you're paying a hefty price up front on the biggest portion of the loan to get it. Now there are some people that have to have it, and that's okay.
And that is because of,
keep it long.
Is that because of credit, because of loan to value? What is it?
Sometimes loan to value, sometimes credit. If your credit score is a little low, once you get into the home and the home starts to appreciate just in 6 months to a year, you can refinance out and get rid of it. Even if the rate's 3.5 and you go up to, let's say, 4.25, you're still going to save $100, $150 a month.
Got it.
And have the tax deduction.
Got it. Makes total sense to me. All right, how do folks get a hold of you, Kurt?
720-895-0500, or they can go to our website at aimortgage.net.
Hey, Kurt, what you got going on Haystack tomorrow?
We got a financial planner on that's going to show people how to kind of protect themselves if they're in the market and how to help build for their retirement with guaranteed rates of returns.
Guaranteed?
Ooh, guaranteed rates. I like that.
Yeah, we like the guaranteed part. All right, good stuff. Kurt, good job. Thanks as always. We really appreciate it.